Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is India banned the import of drones. Recently, the Government of India has banned the import of drones with immediate effect. This ban has been imposed on import of foreign manufactured drones except for research and development, defense and security purposes. The decision has been taken with a view to promote local manufacturing order, the Make in India scheme. In this regard, the Directorate General of Foreign Trade of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry notified the Indian Trade Classification Harmonized System 2022 effecting the prohibition of drones for import. However, import of drone components will be permitted as earlier and will not require any approvals. Note that last year, the Union Cabinet cleared a production-linked incentive, that is PLI scheme, to make India a drone hub by 2030. The government allocated Rs 120 crore for this scheme and it will be spread over 3 years. The scheme provides up to 20% incentive to manufacturers of drones and drone components. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.